Dear parishioners and Marian devotees, we are now in the second week of November, the 32nd week in Ordinary Time. This is the second to the last Sunday before Christ the King, which ends our liturgical year of 2021. Due to the ongoing pandemic, Pope Francis extended the possibility of obtaining plenary indulgences in favor of the faithful departed throughout the entire month of November. It's not just from November 1 to 8, but from November 1 to 30. Just comply with these requirements. 1. Be in the state of grace. Confession gives you that grace of detachment from sin. 2. Receive Holy Communion or make a spiritual communion if you attend online masses. 3. Pray for the departed and for the intentions of the Holy Father by reciting the Creed and Our Father. Catholics who are elderly or sick and unable to leave home can still obtain plenary indulgences. Just do any of the following. First, recite prayers for the dead on your altar. Second, pray the Rosary or Chaplet of the Divine Mercy offered for the deceased. Third, perform a work of mercy by offering your pain and suffering to God. Since November 1, we have opened our church for mass-goers. The shrine is open to anyone as long as you observe health protocols. Unvaccinated minors can come accompanied by vaccinated guardians. For the 4:30 a.m. Misa de Gallo on December, we are thinking of this policy. Only vaccinated parishioners can enter our grounds and the church to anticipate the volume of attendees. Dear parishioners and Marian devotees, on our journey of faith this week, let us be generous with our prayers offered to those who have died.